So there will be a spaceship. This spaceship can move around, and and it can throttle. Now this throttle should have some sound and some visual effects, like thrust. Then this spaceship can fire some bullets. Now these bullets, when fired, will have some sound and some visual effects. Now we have the player, but other players will come and they try to fight with us. They will attack us. But why? Because there could be two reasons. Because either they want to protect something or they want to take something from us. If they are trying to protect something, now either we stole it from them or we are about to steal it from them. If they want to take something from us, that is the reason that they're attacking on us. We have something really special, or we have something that already was theirs to begin with, but we got it somehow and they are coming to get it back. So these are the things because of which they can attack. So here's the basic roadmap how this game would look like. So there should be a track, and then there will be a checkpoint. There will be some obstacles which will prevent us to reach to these checkpoints. There will be a combination of these checkpoints. So there will be a final checkpoint, which will be the end. After reaching that end, it would mean that we have defeated the villain and we are going to live happily ever after. Obstacles, one thing could be the villain's army, or there could be multiple other things as obstacles. So this, or I will just draw it from scratch. Okay, this gone. So there would be a starting point and an end point. We will be in a spaceship. This spaceship can move around or it can shoot. Just two basic mechanics. To reach the destination, there will be multiple checkpoints. Now, something like this. This is going to be our track or road. These are going to be our checkpoints. And there is going to be an end point. Also, there is going to be a starting point. Yeah. So the princess will be with us in the spaceship because princess is something that we are going to steal. Why? Because if we do not steal it, then the villain is going to steal her, and villain is not going to treat her well. Let's just say that for time being. Okay. So villain is basically our competition. We stole the princess from her father from a place. Now this place is her father's kingdom or nation. Her father is supposed to be a big figure. Okay. Now we stole her. Not exactly stole her, but let's just say we rescued her. We are going to keep her with us. But there's this villain who is going to give us some challenges because he also wanted to be with the princess. This villain is going to continuously send his men or create some obstacles for us, from which we need to evade and reach the end point. So this is going to be the game in a nutshell. Progress so far is not a lot, but it's something. So we have a spaceship, we can fire, we can rotate around, we can move, and we have, yeah, so effects are not there, but the storyline is going to be this only. For now, we have, if we want to know this technically, we have 90 FPS as of now. uh, it should be, it should not be less than 60 FPS, that is there. But yeah, this is going to be the starting point for this project, not the character.